Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Dose. In today's video, we have some exciting news for our Indian viewers. Google has recently launched a new AI powered tool called Google Bard and it's officially launched in India. In this video, I will be showing you how to assess and use Google Bard. I will walk you through the process step by step so you can start exploring and creating with this incredible tool. So let's get started with the video. To access Google Bard, what you have to do is simply you have to paste this particular URL in Chrome. I have mentioned the same URL in video description. You have to simply click on that one and press the enter button. The moment you press the enter button, it will come to this particular page which is stating as a Bard experimenter, and then simply you have to click on try Bard. The moment you click on Bard, so it will ask you for the more information like a terms and condition, then simply scroll down and then click on I agree. Once that is done, you will see this pop-up and simply click on this icon and then click on continue. Now you can see that Bard interface look like this, and now if you have any question you can start typing here and then exploring the Bard. So we'll start with our first question. So basically I will ask the question related to Excel. So let's see, we'll try with the simple one. Write some formula in Excel and then simply click on enter or simply click on this submit. So let's see how it will respond. So now you can see we have received a response from the Google Bard. So here it's showing as a code snippet which is like a equal to sum and then the range, and here also it's giving some examples, sum equal to a1 to a10, so which is like a pretty simple, right? So let's see how another example it's showing us. So now it's giving the different examples. So I believe this is something really good. Now I will ask a second question. So basically we are looking for the response for one of our emails. So what we have to do is we have to simply write here, write a response to following email that we are not interested in their service, and then we have to simply type that or paste that particular email. Now you can see here I have intentionally mentioned the misspell of interested. So let's see if it understand the context and then respond to this particular query. So then we have to simply click on the enter button and let's see. So now you can see we have received a response from the Google Bard. So let's see how it is responding to our query. So we can see here we have received a number of similar inquiries in the past and we have decided to focus our marketing efforts on other channels at this time. We are confident that our current website is meeting the needs of our customer and we are not currently looking to make any changes. So basically it's trying to say the no, but in very professional way. So if you are not satisfied with this particular response, so what you can do is simply click on this view other draft, and you can see here draft 2 and draft 3, and then simply click on this draft and you will see the response. If still you are not satisfied with this particular answer, then simply click on regenerate the draft. So if you want to reset or delete the history from the Google Bard, what you have to do is you have to simply click on this reset chat and then click on the reset. It will remove complete content or the query from the Google Bard. So this is how you can use a Google Bard, and I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to Excel Dose. Thank you so much for watching.